Good morning, students. I am Sandeep Sharma, your computer teacher. Welcome to our online class. Hope everyone is fine. So, ready? Today we are going to start our first chapter, computer desktop, or just desktop. Okay? So in this chapter, we are going to learn about taskbar, shortcuts, gadgets, icons, and desktop background. So, let's start our chapter. So, do you know what is operating system? Operating system is a software through which we can use our computer to do any task, whether that is to type or whether that is to play music or games or anything. A basic software without which computer is just a useless machine. You cannot use it because computer does not operate by itself. It requires a basic software to operate it. That software is called operating system. Nowadays, we all use Windows 7, which is developed by Microsoft Corporation and most successful and widely used operating system. In Windows 7, it is very easy to use, very convenient and very user-friendly. It is fast in speed and also very much interesting to use. So, the first process when we turn on our computer. Have you ever noticed what happens? Let me show you. I have turned on this computer. Okay? So now the first process is called booting. Booting means powering on our computer and loading the operating system, software without which computer cannot operate. So booting means powering on our computer and loading the operating system. You can see this process is going on. It is called booting process. It is loading the Windows 7. Once it gets loaded or boot up, you can use the word boot up. The first screen that appears on our computer monitor display is desktop. I will show you. This is final process of booting. Now you can see this screen which appeared. This is the first screen after booting. This is called our desktop. So in desktop there are four major components. Which are there? Which we have to learn. They are icons, desktop background, gadgets and taskbar. So let me show you. These small pictures, these are called icons. Icon represents a link to software or shortcuts to software which are installed in our desktop. Shortcuts because we can open or update by just clicking on these icons. Okay? This flat horizontal bar, complete bar is called taskbar, which our software we use or operate appears here. And this picture which is on our desktop, on which all our icons are arranged, is called desktop background. And as gadgets are not on this background, so let me bring something to show you. So this is our taskbar. You can see a circular button, start button. With this, we can access all the software programs installed in our computer. These icons are quick launch mode. From here also we can start the commonly used software or programs. We can customize it, we can make our own quick launch bar. We can place our own favorite icon of the software which we use frequently. This is for our convenience. And this right corner is called system tray. In this icon, as from its name, you can understand system related icons appears like watch, time and date, sound icon, display icon, internet icon and similar icons which are related to our computer system whose settings can be changed from here, which shows the status of these settings like sound setting, internet setting, like date and time. So this is called system tray. And the fourth one is show desktop button. This corner, most right side, there is a small button which is called show desktop, which is used, for example, if any window is open, you are working on something and you want to see your desktop, you need to just place your mouse here and click. So now you can see your desktop is there. So this is called show desktop. And whichever program software we are using or is running shows here in the taskbar like this. As we just opened it, it is here in our taskbar. Okay? I hope this point is very clear to you. Now our next topic is file. What is file? Whatever work we perform or save in our computer is saved in files or performed in files. We can say files are basic ingredients or unit of our computer. Whatever we see, whatever we work, whatever we make in computer is called file. In simple words, all the information in the computer is saved in files. So some examples of files are text file. Text file means which contains only text. Audio file. Audio means which contains only audio or sound, which we can hear or listen. Another example is video file, which contains video like movies, which we all watch on our computer. So video files. And another type is called program files. Program file means software file, which we execute or runs on our computer. So these are few types of files. There are several types of files which you will learn later. But for now, to begin with, these are the basic 4 types of files. Now, our next topic is folder. Folder is a place or a group where files are kept or placed. Just like normal file folder you might have seen in offices or in your homes, thick covering which contains individual pages. We usually call it folder, file folder, which contains files. Each individual page is called file, and the whole covering which contains our file is called folder. In the similar way, in our computer, whatever be the kind of file, whether that may be text file or whether that may be sound file or video file, they are all placed in certain folders. You can make your own folders, you can use system default folders to place the files. Now, I will show you with one example. This is our drive, and now our drive has folder. These yellow colored icons are folders which contains files. These are individual files, and this is folder. They have similar icon of file folder. So, how to open? If you want to open any file or folder in Windows, we just need to double click, continuous quick click 2 times of the left button of our mouse. This is called double click. We can open any file or folder by just double clicking. It is very simple and easy to use. Our next topic is my computer, or the icon which is on our desktop computer. Here it is. Computer show icon, which when we open shows whatever our computer contains. For example, I am double clicking it. That means I am opening it. I am opening our icon of my computer. So now this screen appears. This screen shows whatever is stored in our computer is in these drives. So whatever our computer contains can be accessed from this icon. These 3 sections are called drives. Drives, you might have studied in your previous classes, is storage medium or hard disk. Here it is displaying the partition of your hard disk or the shelves or drives. And whatever data we have in your computer is stored in these drives. Similarly, our desktop has documents icon, which is system built or predefined folder. Whenever we work or create any file, any document file, if we are typing something or Excel sheet, data sheet, the default location to save our document file is document file. It is for our convenience so that we can easily find and access our documents. You can save anywhere in your computer, but the default or system selected folder is document folder, which contains the documents which we have created or we will create. So this is our document folder. Here you can see there are several files which we have saved here in this folder. This is just a basic introduction to you about the folders which we have on our desktop. So for now, you just need to keep in mind that our desktop contains our computer folder, which shows whatever the drive and data we have to access. We can access from there, which displays whatever our computer has. So a computer shortcut, and second one is document folder. This is also a shortcut or a link to access our documents. Similarly, we have network places icon and recycle. So network places icons displays our network. If we have several computers which are connected via cable or other networking method. So this is not important for now. So next is recycle bin. Recycle bin contains files which you have deleted. For example, you are working on any file and you think that is not required to you, and you just click delete. So that file will be removed from its location and will be moved to the recycle. Let me show you. For example, this is a file. I hope you can see that. I am just right clicking on it and selecting the option delete. Computer is asking, do you want to delete? It confirms us our action, which action we are taking on it. So I said yes. So now you can see my file is removed from here. Now that file is moved to recycle. This recycle bin icon. Now I am double clicking it, and now you can see here is that file which I have created. So from here I can restore it. If I want that file back, then I can restore it, or I can delete it permanently from here. Once deleted from here, it gets impossible to restore one file. And the last topic is gadgets. Gadgets are many small programs or small softwares which provides information at a glance, just like this as I mentioned before. Here you can see there is a watch, analog watch. We can see our time on our desktop. This is calendar, where we can see what date is today, and also we can customize our calendar. In the similar way, there are several gadgets. Here you can see slideshow, weather, media player, headlines, that means news, currency, several gadgets, so many programs which are used to display information regularly on our desktop. So this is the end of our chapter. Now you have to attend the exercise, try to solve and send me on our WhatsApp group.